In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal with AI using Hostinger Horizons. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those looking to streamline client interaction in just a few minutes. So let's dive right into it and make managing client relationships a breeze. First things first, you'll need to head over to Hostinger Horizons. This is an incredibly user-friendly platform designed to help you create a polished and functional client portal without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to their website. If this is your first time visiting, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to locate the tools you need. Once you're on the platform, the next step is to instruct the AI by typing in your requirements. Here's what you need to type. Create a client portal where users can log in, view tasks, send messages, and download or share files. This command lets the AI understand exactly what kind of functionality you want included in your portal. The beauty of using Hostinger Horizons lies in its smart AI capabilities that allow you to convey your needs in simple language, saving you time and hassle. With your command entered, you can now proceed to the next step. Look for the Start for Free button on the Hostinger Horizons page. Clicking this will initiate the process, and you'll be on your way to creating your client portal. Hostinger Horizons offers a free starting point, which is ideal if you want to explore the features without a financial commitment up front. This can be particularly beneficial if you're just getting started or are in the testing phases of your project. As the AI begins crafting your client portal based on the details you've provided, you might want to keep an eye on the process even though it's designed to be automated. This will ensure everything is progressing as expected. The best part about using AI in this context is that it tailors the output to fit your instructions while ensuring a professional and user-friendly design. Once completed, the AI will have built a portal that allows your clients to log in, securely view their tasks, easily send messages, and download or share necessary files. This setup not only enhances communication and productivity, but also represents your brand's commitment to providing technologically advanced solutions. Remember, the key to a successful client portal is ensuring it remains easy for users to navigate while meeting all your intended functionalities. With Hostinger Horizons, you're equipped with a powerful tool that allows you to achieve just that, effortlessly. So there you have it. A straightforward method to create a client portal using AI that enhances both efficiency and client satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing how you leverage these tools in your business projects.